be up to some slick stuff. Some pretty little paper we got going on, folks. Oh, wait a minute. I'm an idiot. I dropped it. Oh, that's dope. Or should I say, duff. Oh, bro, that's legit. I see you working, man. Oh, man, that's killer. Hey, man, you be putting in some work on that little thing. Oh, then it's Paper Mario. Oh, man. All right, I see you, bro. That's all me right there, cousin. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on a second. Oh, yeah. I appreciate it, my dude. Hold on, let me get some of that magic right there. Hold on. Focus. With the Mario on the side. Oh, yeah. I appreciate it, my guy. That's quality workmanship you got there, sir. Much love, much appreciated, bro. I'm about to sport that bitch ASAP.